Okay, I want to show you a little bit about more about styles. To me, styles are really all there is to it. That's Word in a nutshell. And I'm going to show you another great use of styles. It's for making tables of contents. Now, of course, styles give you central control over everything. If you've been watching the movies, you can see how you can change all sorts of things about your documents right from one place and have them, of course, look all the same. Now, I'm going to use the template that I made before. Now, I've still got this stuff on it, just Robert Jones language. Before I started this movie, I went to Wikipedia and I highlighted the entire movie on Microsoft Word. And press Command C to copy it. Now I'm going to go to the document here. I'm going to press Command A to highlight everything in the document. Of course, it doesn't affect the stuff in the header and footer. And then I'm going to press Command V to paste everything. Whenever you highlight something, the next action will get rid of everything that's highlighted. Now, when you see that, when you paste to Word, you'll see this little thing here, Paste Options. Now you can click that, and you can keep the source formatting, match destination formatting, or keep text only. Now I'll click Match and see what happens. Not bad. But I still have this. These are blue, and these are still hyperlinks and everything else. I want this to have to be total, and it made these into things. I want this to be all gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Control A to get all of it out. I'm gonna get the toolbox open here, and go to Styles, and go over to the Styles section, and go to Clear Formatting. Let's get rid of everything. All right, now it's all the same. It's nothing. So that's how fast you can get something to be agreeable. Now, when we go through this document, what I'm going to do is I'm going to designate things heading 1, 2, and 3. Heading 1, 2, and 3 are the headings that Microsoft links to an automatic table that they've already built. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to see if we can get something a little. I want to be able to work right from here, from the window. So I'm going to go to, let me see, Outline. I think this does it. Nope. That's the view. We'll go back to print layout, and we'll go to view, and we'll go to toolbars, and we'll go to formatting, and there we go. So the formatting toolbar, this is the information you're probably used to seeing up here, and these are the styles, heading 1, 2, and 3, and that's what we're going to be working with. So we'll make this heading 1, and then we'll go down a little bit. Now, what we can do here to navigate the document a little easier, we go to Navigation, click that, and we don't want thumbnails. That'll show you each page. We're going to go to the document map. Now, there's nothing on the document map yet because there's no formatting. But once you assign a style to something, it shows up. There it is. So let's see, what's the next one? Let's go right here. We'll make this heading 1. And we'll make this heading 2. We'll make this heading 2. Now you don't have to highlight. You see me highlight some of the entire word. So like sometimes I do this, and sometimes I just click in the line. All you have to do is click in the line, because it picks up the entire paragraph. So heading 2 on this one, and then we'll do this one. We'll also do heading 2, and then let's do a heading 3 somewhere. Okay, we'll do heading 3 for this one. Okay, see this right here on the document map, you can tell there's a space right here. So we're going to click here. If you click on these, of course, you go right to the spot, which is great when you're working with long documents. It's the only way to get around. Now, when you're working on a document, you want to see what's going on, you press the Show here. Show Invisibles. Now, this right here this is where this space is coming from. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to do the delete that. And I'm going to delete that, so that's agreeable to me. Alright, so I'm going to click back up to the top. Now we want a table of contents. Now the quickest way to table of contents is this right here, is the gallery. You can click on that, and it shows the gallery. Now, document elements, table of contents, and pick one that we like. We'll go with the standard, and click that. And then there you go. There's your table of contents. Now the table of contents, of course, works exactly the same way as the rest of it. It picks up, now if you don't like the formatting here, it picked up the styles that are predefined for this particular set that we use to build our letterhead. And they do match, but if you don't like them, if you want it to look a little different, maybe you don't like the fact that this is bolded, just simply click in it, and then go to the toolbox, and then you find, what is this? What style is this? TOC heading. Kind of must be that, right? Let's check it out. TOC heading. We'll take the bold off. Nope, that was for this. So we'll cancel out of that. And, okay. That's odd. I don't see it anywhere. But it has to be a style. There's always a style associated with everything. Let's click here and see what that does. Now, this is going to happen to you sometimes. You kind of got to peck around a little bit. Now, available styles. List all styles. See what that does. See where it is. It's probably going to... TOC's, table of contents, have their own styles. Let's see. TOC. There it is. TOC1. Now, it should have... It was playing with us there. Usually, whenever you have a style in a document, it's under available styles. In this case, it wasn't. It was in all styles. So, but it's TOC1. So click on the right side, and we modify the style, and we just want the bold to be gone. Now that the bold is gone, we're going to want to probably get rid of the bold on this one. So what was this? What's this format? The format is probably TOC2, and that's exactly what it is. So we'll go to TOC2. Click on the right next to it, modify style, and get rid of bold. I usually get rid of bolds. I'm not a big fan of bolding, but you may like it. That's it. That's building a table of contents. Now, what you might want to do here is a practical matter. You really don't want you probably don't want the document to start on the same page as the table of contents, so you can just insert a page break, and there you go. Now, when you're playing around with your document, this will automatically pick up, like for example, if we change this to Word like that, and we want to pick that up, we don't have to go nuts with this thing. Just click on it, go to Table of Contents, click right side, Update Table, and update page numbers, no, the entire table, because we just made some changes to it. And then you can see it picked up that right in there, all set. Now sometimes this little box might not come up, this little control box. If it doesn't, just right click on it and click Update Fields, because it's actually showing up for me now. I've had it that doesn't, but if it doesn't show up for you, just click in the table of contents. There it is, Update Field, like this, and then it'll ask you the same thing. So don't get worried if you don't see this control thing, because sometimes it freaks out. Computers do that sometimes, but it's still there, and you'll still be able to do it. This is the absolute easiest way to get a table of contents done. So there you have it.